Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the best wet-dry vacuums on the market. Whether you're tackling big spills, cleaning up after a project, or just handling everyday messes, we've got you covered with top picks to suit any need. Stay tuned to find the perfect vacuum for your home or workspace. Number 1. Tineco Floor 1S5 Smart Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco Floor 1S5 is a standout machine that excelled during our tests, especially on grouted floors, where it left the grout lines looking as though they had been wiped down with a cloth. This impressive performance was largely thanks to Tineco's iLoop Smart Sensor technology, which automatically adjusts the suction, water flow, and brush roll speed to effectively handle different types of messes. After testing, we noticed that the battery had only depleted by about 20%, outperforming many other battery-powered vacuums we reviewed. A sensor display conveniently shows key information, such as battery life, debris detection, and water usage. We also appreciated the self-cleaning feature, which we used between tests. It noticeably improved the vacuum's overall performance. However, the squeegee strip often remained visibly dirty after self-cleaning, requiring a manual wipe with a cloth. After several months of use, we observed a slight decline in the mopping function. Prospective buyers should be prepared for regular maintenance to ensure the machine continues to perform at its best. Number 2. Bissell Crosswave Hydro Steam Plus Wet-Dry Vac. The Bissell Crosswave has long been recognized as one of the first popular vacuum mop combos, and we still believe it's one of the best options on the market. The Hydro Steam Wet-Dry Vac, a recent model, stood out in our lab tests, impressing us with its performance, versatility, and ease of use, so much so that we included it in our list of the best vacuum cleaners. This innovative vacuum is designed to simultaneously vacuum, wash, and steam your floors. In other words, the future of cleaning is here. Packaged in this machine, switching between vacuuming and washing or steam cleaning is effortless, requiring only a press of a button on the handle. Unlike many similar products, it works not only on sealed hardwood and pressed wood floors, but also on area rugs and floor mats. Weighing just 12.5 pounds, it features a 2-tank system that ensures dirty water never mixes with clean water. The Crosswave is powered by a 25-foot cord, providing unlimited runtime, though you may need to pause for refills and emptying the tanks depending on the job. The Bissell Hydro Steam Wet-Dry Vac delivers on its promise of seamless multitasking and is a user-friendly solution for a variety of cleaning needs. Number 3. Stealth ECVP01 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum mop, the Stealth all-in-one cleaner and mop is an excellent option. We found it easy to set up, with no extra tools required. It even comes with a small wrench for removing the handle if needed. While it was a bit noisy, like most vacuums, it was quieter than many we've tested. The Stealth performed well on smaller debris, such as coffee grounds, on both linoleum flooring and rugs. Though it struggled with larger debris, its lightweight design and swivel head made it easy to maneuver and reach tricky areas, which we appreciated during cleaning. We were pleasantly surprised that the battery lasted long enough to clean all the major rooms in our home, with power to spare, easily monitored through the digital display. The included docking station was another plus, providing convenient drying for the roller, which could air dry upright after being self-cleaned. Why you should get it: its brush can be air dried in an upright position, which is convenient and doesn't require one to apply much effort. Keep in mind, this gadget may not be able to as effectively pick up larger pieces. Number 4. Tineco Floor 1S7 Steam Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. When it comes to cordless vacuum mops, the Tineco Floor 1S7 Steam stands out as one of the best options available. During our testing, we found the setup to be straightforward. Simply inserting the handle into the machine's body and filling the water container was all it took to get started. Once in operation, the noise level was pleasantly manageable. We could easily enjoy music while cleaning. We were particularly impressed by the vacuuming function, which effectively led the cleaning process, while the mopping function enhanced the results. Its ability to self-adjust based on the mess detected made cleaning effortless, and we appreciated the 3 modes, auto, steam mode, and boost steam, that allowed for easy toggling. However, it did fall short in edge cleaning. The front guard roller made it challenging to clean right up against baseboards. Despite its higher price point, we found that the Tineco Floor 1S7 Steam offers excellent value, thanks to its steam capabilities and its effectiveness in both small and large spaces. Why you should get it: this vacuum is equipped with several attachments that can be stored in its docking station. Keep in mind, its head is too large to clean tight edges and baseboards. Number 5. Roborock Dyad Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Roborock Dyad Pro is a newer vacuum combo that distinguishes itself with a range of impressive features. Notably, it boasts 2 brush rolls, enhancing its ability to capture dirt, dust, and liquids from your floors. One of these brushes provides edge-to-edge cleaning, allowing you to clean right up to baseboards, a significant advantage in our opinion. We also appreciated the digital display, which conveniently shows remaining battery life. During our tests, we used about 30% of the battery, giving us confidence that it can handle most household cleaning tasks comfortably. Although there's an app for additional control, we faced connectivity issues during both lab and home testing. While this could be a drawback for some, we found it manageable without the app. The self-cleaning button effectively removes dirt and grime from the brush rolls, depositing it into the dirty water tank, and it even notifies you when the brush rolls are fully dry, which takes about 3 hours and 15 minutes. If you're looking to invest in a wet-dry vacuum packed with features, the Roborock Dyad Pro is an excellent choice. Pros: multiple brush rolls, edge-to-edge cleaning, multiple cleaning modes. Cons: app connectivity has limitations.